Hi guys, I'm so excited to announce our upcoming Pricing for Profit workshop for hairstylists in San Diego, California. I'm Law Richard. I'm a business and marketing mentor for photographers and creatives, and I'm super excited to team up with my sister Kat at Blank Space Salon and bring this to hairstylists so they can learn how to actually price themselves for profit. We're going to go over the #1 mistake that most creatives make when they start pricing themselves, how to avoid that, and how to make sure that you're profitable. And I'm going to give you a secret of how to increase your income at $10,000 or more per year with one little tiny shift.
You can do what you love and make good money at it that can
Yeah.
support whatever lifestyle you really want to have. And I just want all my girls to be super successful, and just hairstylists in general, not just the girls in my salon, because I think that everybody can win.
Perfect. Awesome. We hope to see you guys there.
Woohoo!